Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what is space? It's not just a vast black canvas speckled with twinkling lights or the place where our home planet coexists with other celestial bodies. No, space is much more. Imagine an expanse so vast it seems infinite, a realm that effortlessly cradles the entirety of the universe within its grip. That, my friends, is space. It's a vacuum, bereft of air and matter, a stark contrast to the bustling, matter-filled world we inhabit. Now, this lack of matter has intriguing implications. For instance, sound, which we're so accustomed to, cannot travel in space. Why? Because sound needs a medium like air or water to travel. Similarly, heat transfer as we know it on Earth works differently in the vacuum of space. Space, in its vastness and emptiness, is a concept that challenges our understanding of existence. It's a realm that pushes the boundaries of our comprehension, urging us to learn, explore, and discover. But space isn't just a vast emptiness. It's more complex than that. Imagine, if you will, a tightly woven fabric, stretching out in all directions. This fabric isn't made from threads or cotton, but of something far more elusive: space and time. This is the concept of space-time, a four-dimensional framework that melds the three dimensions of space with the one dimension of time. Our understanding of this concept was revolutionized by a man named Albert Einstein and his theory of relativity. Before Einstein, we thought of space and time as separate entities, but he proposed that they were intertwined, forming a single, unified fabric that underpins the universe. And like any fabric, space-time isn't rigid. It's flexible, bending and warping under the influence of mass and energy. This is where the concept of gravity comes into play. You see, gravity isn't just a force pulling objects towards each other, it's a warping of space-time itself. Imagine a bowling ball on a trampoline. The weight of the ball distorts the fabric of the trampoline, creating a dip. If you were to roll a marble near the bowling ball, it wouldn't go straight. It would curve towards the ball, drawn in by the dip. That's how gravity works. The sun, the earth, the stars and planets, they all warp space-time around them, causing other objects to move along curved paths. This is why the Earth orbits the sun, why the moon orbits the Earth, and why we don't float off the planet. It's not because there's an invisible force pulling us down, but because the Earth is curving the space-time around us, guiding our path. So, when we talk about space, we aren't just talking about the backdrop against which the universe unfolds. We're talking about an active player in the cosmos, a dynamic entity that shapes the events within it. So space isn't just where things happen, it's a dynamic entity that shapes the cosmos. But even with our advanced understanding, space holds mysteries that baffle us. Consider this: the universe is not just filled with the stars, galaxies, and celestial bodies we can see. It's also home to unseen entities, dark matter and dark energy. These invisible forces, though undetectable, make up a staggering 95% of our universe. Yes, you heard that right, 95%. Dark matter, though elusive, gives structure to the cosmos. It's the unseen scaffolding upon which galaxies are built. It's like the universe's backstage crew, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep the cosmic show going. Then there's dark energy, even more mysterious. It's the force that's pulling the universe apart, causing it to expand at an accelerating pace. It's like an invisible hand, constantly stretching the cosmic fabric. Yet despite their profound influence, we know so little about these cosmic conundrums. These mysteries remind us that space is a frontier of knowledge waiting to be explored. So, what have we discovered about space in our brief journey today? We've delved into the concept of space as an infinite expanse, an ever-stretching vacuum that houses the entirety of our universe. It's so vast and unending, it's difficult to truly comprehend its magnitude. Then we've examined the intriguing fabric of space-time. This four-dimensional framework isn't just an abstract concept, but a tangible influence on the movement of celestial bodies, warping and curving under their weight. But space isn't just about what we can see or comprehend. It's also about the enigmatic elements that remain just out of our grasp. We've pondered over the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, elusive components that, despite being invisible to our eyes, make up about 95% of the universe. As we continue to gaze into the night sky, remember that space is not just a backdrop for the stars, but a complex, dynamic entity that holds the secrets of our universe.